In the previous lesson, we talked about comparison statements like 5 is equal to 4 plus 1 and 3 is greater than 4. We know that this is true and this is false because 3 is not greater than 4. Okay, and or are ways in which we can combine multiple comparison statements. For example, if we do something like this, take this statement 5 is equal to 4 and is written as 2 ampersand symbols, and 3 is greater than 4. If we apply AND operator between these comparison statements, it should return true only if both of the comparison statements are true. Okay, here this one is true, this one is false, so this whole statement will be false. Okay, if both were true, let's run this and see if it yeah, this one is false. If both one was true, then the AND operator will return true. For example, true and true, this will return true. This whole thing will be true. Okay, and this will be false in all other cases. For example, if the first statement is true and the second is false, this will be false. If the first statement is false and second is false, and these are the other three cases. Okay, these are the four cases that you can have. This will return true only if both of the comparison statements it is applied to are true, and will return false otherwise. The AND operator is very useful. Similarly, the OR operator is returns true if either of the comparison statements are true. For example, if all these places, if we apply OR like this, copy it, paste here, here and here, this will return true here because one of those, actually both of them are true. This will return true because one of those is true. This will return false and this one will return true. So this is the only case where it will be false. Okay, so this is the difference between AND and OR operators. AND returns true only when both are true and false otherwise. OR returns true if at least one of those is true and false otherwise. So AND returns true only in one case, and OR returns true in the 3 of the 4 cases.